Below is an expanded, in-depth, textbook-style explanation of Arformoterol, written in clear but detailed language, suitable for medical, nursing, or pharmacy students. Each section goes deeper into pathophysiology, clinical rationale, and safety considerations. Arformoterol, Brovana, detailed explanation. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Arformoterol tartrate. Drug class, long-acting beta-2 adrenergic agonist, LABA. Bronchodilator Arformoterol is the RR enantiomer of formoterol, which is the pharmacologically active isomer responsible for bronchodilation. Brand name, Brovana. Drug form, inhalation solution for nebulization, supplied as unit dose vials, clear, colorless solution. Number 2. Definition. Arformoterol is a long-acting inhaled bronchodilator used for the long-term, twice-daily maintenance treatment of airflow obstruction in patients with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. It is not intended for immediate relief of acute bronchospasm. Number 3. Mechanism of action, detailed. Arformoterol selectively binds to B2 adrenergic receptors located on bronchial smooth muscle. Activation of these receptors stimulates adenylate cyclase. Adenylate cyclase increases conversion of ATP to cyclic adenosine monophosphate, CAMP. Increased CAMP leads to decreased intracellular calcium, relaxation of smooth muscle, bronchodilation. Additional effects: improves mucociliary clearance, reduces airway resistance, may inhibit mediator release from mast cells. Because it does not reduce airway inflammation, it is not a substitute for inhaled corticosteroids in asthma. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. In-depth. Absorption. Absorbed systemically after inhalation. Peak plasma levels occur within 1 to 3 hours. Distribution. Moderate protein binding, distributed primarily to lung tissue. Metabolism. Metabolized mainly by direct glucuronidation, O-demethylation, does not significantly rely on CYP450 enzymes, reducing some drug interaction risk. Excretion. Eliminated through urine and feces. Half-life. Approximately 26 hours, allowing for twice-daily dosing. Number 5 uses clinical purpose, long-term control of bronchoconstriction, improves exercise tolerance, reduces COPD symptoms such as shortness of breath, wheezing, chest tightness. 6 indications, approved indication, maintenance treatment of COPD, including chronic bronchitis, emphysema, not indicated for acute asthma attacks, acute bronchospasm, monotherapy in asthma patients. 7. Contraindications expanded. Known hypersensitivity to arformoterol or excipients. Asthma without inhaled corticosteroid. Acute worsening of COPD requiring rescue therapy. Relative contraindications. Unstable cardiac disease. Severe arrhythmias. Before taking this medicine, precautions. LABAs stimulate the sympathetic nervous system, so caution is required in cardiovascular disease. Increased risk of tachycardia, arrhythmias, hypertension, angina. Endocrine disorders, diabetes may increase blood glucose, hyperthyroidism, exaggerated response. Electrolyte imbalance may cause hypokalemia due to intracellular potassium shift. Neurologic disorders, seizures may be triggered. How to use. Detailed administration, use via nebulizer only. Administer over 5 to 10 minutes. Do not dilute unless instructed. Use immediately after opening vial. Clean nebulizer after each use to prevent infection. 10. Dosing information. Standard adult dose. 15 milligrams inhaled twice daily. Doses should be spaced 12 hours apart. Do not exceed recommended dose, not approved for pediatric use. 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. Skip if close to next dose. Never double doses. Overdose pathophysiology. Excess beta-2 stimulation causes tachycardia, tremor, hypokalemia, hyperglycemia, prolonged QT interval. 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop immediately if paradoxical bronchospasm occurs, severe chest pain or palpitations develop, breathing worsens after use. Avoid concurrent LAS, overuse of rescue inhalers. 13. Side effects, pathophysiology explained. Common, tremor, but stimulation of skeletal muscle, nervousness, headache, diarrhea. Serious, cardiac arrhythmias, hypokalemia, hyperglycemia, paradoxical bronchospasm. Number 14, vital information black box warning. LABAs increase asthma-related death risk when used alone. Arformoterol is approved only for COPD, must never be used as asthma monotherapy. Number 15, drug interactions, detailed. Beta blockers, reduce bronchodilation, may precipitate bronchospasm. Diuretics increase hypokalemia risk. MAOIs and TCAs potentiate cardiovascular effects. Sympathomimetics, additive toxicity. Patient teaching for Arformoterol, Brovana, 10 key points. 1. Use daily for COPD control. This medicine helps keep your airways open and is for long-term control, not quick relief. 2. Not a rescue medication. Do not use for sudden shortness of breath. Always keep your rescue inhaler, like albuterol. 3. Use with a nebulizer only. Inhale the medicine through a nebulizer, do not swallow or inject it. 4. Take exactly as prescribed. Use twice daily, morning and evening, about 12 hours apart. Do not take extra doses. 5. Do not mix medicines unless told. Only mix with other nebulized medicines if your healthcare provider says it's okay. 6. Watch for side effects. Common effects include shaking, nervousness, or headache. Call your doctor for chest pain, fast heartbeat, or worsening breathing. 7. Stop and seek help if breathing worsens. If your breathing gets worse right after using it, stop and get medical help. 8. Clean your nebulizer after each use. Proper cleaning prevents infection and keeps the medicine working properly. 9. Do not use for asthma. This medicine is for COP only and can be dangerous if used alone in asthma. 10. Call your doctor if symptoms change. Tell your provider if you need your rescue inhaler more often or if this medicine seems less effective. Note 17. Drug comparison clinical perspective, drug class, duration delivery, notes MA. Arformoterol, 12 hours nebulized COPD only. Formoterol, 12 hours DPI MDI asthma COPD. Salmeterol, 12 hours DPI slower onset. Tiotropium, 24 hours DPI anticholinergic. Albuterol, SABA, 4 to 6 hours MDI rescue. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.